Hi guys, in this lesson we are going to talk about generators. A generator is a function that helps save memory by generating one value at a time, rather than creating and sorting the entire dataset in memory at once. So, let's get started. First, let's create a normal Fibonacci sequence. Sequence equal square bracket A, B equal 0, 1. New line for underscore in range parentheses n. Column new line sequence dot append parentheses A. New line A, B equals B, A plus B. New line return sequence. And now let's call this function for n in Fibonacci sequence parentheses 5 column new line print parentheses n. And let's check if it works. Those look like the first 5 numbers of a Fibonacci sequence. Now let's create a Fibonacci generator. A, B equal 0, 1. New line for underscore in range parentheses n. Column new line. And now we are going to use a new keyword that allows the function to return a single value, pausing the loop at that point. Yield A. New line A, B equals B, A plus B. Let's check if it works. For n in Fibonacci generator parentheses 5 column new line print parentheses n and run it. This also worked. So why could be better to use a generator instead of a normal function? That's because the generator is a memory saver. So let's print the size of these two functions. Print parentheses sys dot get size of parentheses Fibonacci sequence parentheses 100. And also for the generator. New line print parentheses sys dot get size of parentheses Fibonacci generator parentheses 100. And let's run it. As you can see, the size of the normal Fibonacci sequence is way bigger than the size of the Fibonacci generator. So let's try to make it bigger. Let's copy this line 1000 and let's copy this line 1002 and run it. As you can see, the size of the generator is not correlated with the size of the n value, which is why the bigger the n value, the better it is to use the generator. Let's try to use a bigger number. And it's still the same. So if you need an element just one time, the generator is the right solution. Now, let's recap. lesson 04 hyphen generator. We learn about a generator and we learn about the yield keyword. For this lesson it's enough. Thanks for watching and see you in the next lesson.